Good morning, folks. Chef Kazi here. And today I came in front of the camera again. The sad part is I didn't get a chance to upload videos for some times because I didn't do any videos, cooking videos. The number one reason, whole month of June, and today is July 10. I'm not well, okay? I end up in the hospital. I went to the emergency. They did all the tests. They diagnosed me with lungs infection and bad pneumonia. So anyway, I'm not feeling good. Still, I'm not doing good at all. But I thought I can do one small short video so I can keep in touch with you guys. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to make one breakfast video with a no-carb green tea, okay? So my video will be, I got some pastrami. I'm going to roll with egg, and I can make some Dijon and mayonnaise sauce. Let me show you everything. Let's do the sauce first. 2 tablespoons of mayo. That's the Hellman mayo. And look at this. This is a Dijon mustard, okay? I love it. I should say 1 teaspoon. Mix them well. If you put too much, this will be a little bitter, you know. So you don't want to taste bitter. So my sauce is done. Optional, shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. I'm not sure if I'm using it. And here is my pastrami. This thing always I buy from Odonis. Odonis is one of the best store for your daily and any other stuff, you know. It's for me, so I don't mind to use my hand. Six slice. Let's use the 7 slice, okay? 7, one more. 8 slice. Because I'm not sure I'm going to have a lunch again today or not. Put it back. So I got 3 eggs here. This is the black pepper, and it is the pink salt, Himalayan pink salt. Right. But I like a little bit spicy, you know. So chili flake. And this guy here is one of the best. This is, you don't have to put it, okay, if you don't like it. That's called black seed. I decided not to use the cheese. I don't want cheese. But here though, I got some arugula. I'm going to use this. Yes, that's it. Okay, so thing is, when I make the sandwich, this is the cold, but the eggs will be warm. You cannot mix cold and warm. It's from bacteria. So you have to warm up this. Lettuce is fine. Okay. So let's go. I can show you step by step. Look at this. Stove is not that high, okay, but pan is warm because I don't want this thing cooked. It's already cooked. I just need to warm up. "30 seconds, that's it. So I can hold in my hand, right? So that's the warmness you need. And one more time. That's it. So that's done. That's I warm up already. Now to make eggs. I got some unsalted butter already. I cube it, and I leave it in the fridge. So let's make twice. Yes. I raise the heat now, you see? So this is one portion, right? I put my tea kettle to warm up the water, so make tea. So that's all you heard the noise for. Ready? Here we go. Okay, let's roll the sandwich. If I was making for you, or if I'm making in the restaurant, I put my gloves, but this is for me, folks. One roll is done. Okay, let's transfer there. Oh, I cook a little bit extra here. That's fine. Beautiful. Same procedure. Arugula. If you like to put cheese, you can put it cheese, but I don't feel for cheese today. So here you go, 2 nice breakfast roll without carb. So now let's make the tea. In the whole world, I got one country, I love it. I'm very interested about that country, and that country called China. I love it, man. I wish someday I'm going to visit that country. So look here. Sandwich roll, egg roll with green tea. Let's try it. Try it from this side first. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Bismillah. Folks, this is the healthiest one, tastiest one. I love it. Believe me, try in your home, try yourself, treat your wife, treat your family. You'll love it. And best of all is no carb. No carb at all, right? So folks, if you like this video, can you kindly subscribe if you didn't yet? Hit the like button, press the bell button, share the video. I'm depending on you, right? I'm here for you, so please support me. Thank you. Have a nice day.